Good afternoon, everyone. In this short video, you will learn how to take integer input in Python, which means numbers like 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, etc. So you understand that the basic input takes everything as string. So let's have an example. For example, y is equal to input, and then I write just enter any integer. Okay, and then we have the, for example, print, and I say, you understand, type basically tells you the type of the value you have entered. It can be string, it can be float, or it can be integer, and so on. So let's see what is the type of y. So let's run this code. I write, for example, 7. I enter and it says its type is basically string. So as we need integer, so to convert this string into integer, we use the int function. So uh, let me copy paste and just I say, okay, so int, and now if I write int, okay, and so now if I run this one, let's type again the same 7, and you see its type is now, or its class is now int. So to take integer from the input, you will use the input function, because input is used to take anything from the keyboard. But input has the class, or it stores that input as string. But so if you want int or integer, then we will have to convert that into integer. So to convert that into integer, we use the built-in function int. So this does the same. So I hope this clarifies. So that's all from today. Have practice on it.